Welcome class. Today we will start chapter 8 articles. So what are articles? The word a, an and the are called articles. So a, an and the are the words that are called articles. They belong to the class of words known as determiners that are used before nouns. So a, an and the, these are the words that are used before nouns. See, here are some examples. Richa is a girl. She is an innocent girl. The sun rises in the east. So here a, an and the, all the articles are being used in these three sentences. And each and every article is being used just before the noun. So there are two types of article in English. So there are two types of articles, indefinite article and definite article. Use of indefinite article. So what are indefinite and definite article? Indefinite article means a and an. These two articles are known as indefinite article. A and an are known as indefinite articles as they do not indicate any specific person or thing. So a and an are the indefinite articles which are used when they do not indicate any special person or thing, when they are not saying about a special person or a thing. Indefinite articles are used with singular noun, and always remember a and an are always used with singular nouns. See, let us come to the example. Puneet has bought a book. Here a is used before the noun book and it is a singular noun. Sakshi has a black dog. A black dog. Here a is being used before the noun dog and black is the adjective which is describing the dog. So, and dog is also a singular noun. So a and an are the articles which are used with singular noun. Avinav gave me an apple. Here an apple. Apple is a singular noun and it is also a countable noun. Now you come to point. You will notice that a is used before a countable noun that begins with a consonant or consonant sound. From these sentences we came to know that we are using a when the noun is beginning with a consonant or a consonant sound, while an is used before a countable noun that begins with a vowel or vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So from these sentences we notice that a is being used with countable noun which is beginning with a consonant or consonant sound. See, B is a consonant, so a is being used. B, here B is consonant, a is used. A is a vowel, so an is used. E is a vowel, an is used. P is a consonant, a is used. B is a consonant, a is used. O is a vowel, so an is used. So from this it is clear that a is used with the nouns that begin with a consonant or consonant sound, and an is used with a noun that begin with a vowel or vowel sound. Now read the following sentences carefully. Mr. Sharma is an MP. Rohan wears a uniform. Please wait for an hour. He is a European. So, what does these sentences say? He has a 10 rupee note. He is an honest person. In the sentences above, you find that a is used before the words beginning with vowel, while an is used before the words beginning with consonant. From the above sentences, we find out that A is being used with the words that are beginning with vowel, that are beginning with A, E, I, O, U, and an is used with the words that are beginning with consonant. So some opposite things are being happening. Why? This is because the words after a sound, as if they are beginning with consonant. Why is it this is happening? Because the words after a sound are beginning with a consonant. Likewise, the words after an sound as if they are beginning with vowel. A is coming because the words are beginning with a consonant sound, and we are using an in the above sentences as it is beginning with the vowel sound. The vowel U in the word European and uniform sound similar to the word U. See, the words European and uniform, though it is beginning with E and U, but the sound comes of Y-O-U. Y is a consonant, so the sound comes of Y-O-U. So we are using A. Similarly, the consonant H is silent in the word hour, which is pronounced just like O-U-R, hour. And the pronunciation of M in MP begins with a A. So, in the words hour and MP, hour in hour, H is silent. So, we are pronouncing hour just O-U-R. And in the word MP, M begins with the sound of A. So, we are using A and an. You must remember that the criterion for the use of A and an before a word is the sound of the word and not the spelling of the word. So, you have to just remember that whenever we are using A or an before a word, the sound of the word should be the main thing. We should see the sound, not the spelling of the word. We should always focus on the sound of the word. We should not see the spelling of the word always. We should use the word's sound. So students, today we have read about indefinite articles. So in our next video, we will read about definite articles. Your homework is to go through the indefinite articles. Read the indefinite articles and the examples and the special points of it. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.